Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you upscale the pixelated low resolution photos into high resolution ultra realistic. So for that we are going to use Google Gemini's edition, and you can use and make this work with any pro or free one. I'm using the pro edition. So first you need to pick image. For that I'm just going to use this model. She is hell as cute, cute as hell, and she is one of the best I like. So yeah, I'm going to pick screenshot and going to paste it over the Gemini, and then we will give the command, and this prompt will be given in the description down below so that you can paste it and make this work directly. Okay, so you need to switch from fast to the pro. Make sure this is the thing you have to take care of, and then just hit enter. And once you do that, it's just going to be by itself and going to give you the result. So similar to this, you can convert the low resolution pictures from Shutterstock, from any paid websites, which could be really having a premium a plan. So you can kind of take image from there and you can paste it over here and put this command and get this. So the image is generated. Let's compare. This is the original one that we have took the screenshot, and if you see, I think it's not that much visible because it's running inside the browser. So let me download this first, then we will compare it side by side. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you can see it's kind of high in size. It's not just normal because it's containing AI merged features. It's kind of having AI resolution. So you can see the comparison side by side. The left one is the screenshot and this is the AI generated. So you can see very differences. And let's pick another one. I think that's not much in difference I can tell with the earlier one. Let's go with this one and let's paste this. Okay, now the same prompt that we have to give and just hit enter, and it's creating the output for us. Don't forget, you can do this thing with anything. It's just here we have. So you can see few peoples are in the background. You can do that if you need to create mask using Photopea or using Photoshop. You can do that. That's not a big deal. So let me download and let's compare it side by side. Again, it's heavy in its size. You can see. Let's compare. This have so much of detail, clarity in her eyebrows, in her eyelashes and everything. You can see the difference is huge. So this is kind of amazing thing that you don't need any other third-party tool. You can manage to get this thing done by Google's Gemini, and that would cost you nothing. Just the thing is that the free edition comes with few credits per day. So if you have pro plan, you can just go ahead with unlimited upscale. So yeah, that's how you can do this. I think this is going to be helpful for so many people in so many cases. I know you might have seen, but this prompt is very different and I found it useful. So yeah, I thought to share it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.